true love the day I met you, love, riding my bike home from school. I was cutting some peelies and popping some wheelies and making her think I was cool. Then that doggone nut broke and busted out my spokes. My goodness, I thought I was dead. Then Beulah came running, she thought I was a-funnin'. That's when I looked at my bike and I said, you picked a fine time to leave me loose, Will, showing off my Olympic bicycling skills. I could have won it, but now you done it. This time the hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me loose, Will. You picked a fine time to leave me loose, Will. You picked a fine time to leave me loose, Will.
Well, shaping on up, got to get it together, yeah. You gotta work and get it, oh, that ain't no lie. So, shaping on up, gotta be fit and ready, yeah. We're gonna do it now, not wait till later. We don't wanna be just a couch potato, so we're taking home all the gold. Do or die. See you later, couch potatoes.